Hey Glam Fam, it's the Glam Fam here, and today I decided to do a quick video. Bobby, say hi, Zelina. Say hi. She's so mean. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick video while we're headed to the house of the Lord to give him praise and shout for glory. Anyway, I've been having quite a few people lately, and I've been seeing a few new clients as well who are having an issue with when your hair gets wet, especially if you're relaxed or if you have chemical processes, if your hair is bleached, things like that, where the hair is shredding, or like when you get it wet, it seems like it's a little too mushy, it tears, it's not just breaking, but like it's stretching to the point of then breaking. So it's like popping while you're shampooing and conditioning, or if you get it wet while you're trying to detangle, brush, all of that. If you're noticing something like that happening, what typically is going on is, boo, your hair is overprocessed. What you'll need to do is get a reconstructing conditioner. I'll try to think of a few good ones and list them in the description box down below. You want to mix that, don't put it on by itself. Mix it with a moisturizing conditioner and put it on that hair. Put a plastic cap on there, and you want to sit underneath some sort of heat, like a hooded dryer, or wrap your head in a towel for 30 minutes to hold in your body heat, something like that. Or if you have a steamer, sitting under a steamer without the plastic cap. What it helps to do is to get that moisture balance back up where it needs to be, but also get that protein balance back, so you're not having that overly stretchy hair. So basically what's going on is, because of the lack of protein, you've got a lot more moisture than you do protein. So when that hair gets wet, it tells you the truth about everything that's going on, and she's telling you then that, baby, I am protein deficient. So if your hair is feeling like overcooked spaghetti noodles, it's because you're short on protein. You need a little bit more. This can help out as well if you have like heat damage that's minor. You can notice where some of those curls will bounce back by doing the same type of treatment. But some general rules for relaxer is, if you are doing relaxer, it is not meant to get the hair bone straight. It is meant to relax the curl. So if you're trying to get it super straight, the answer is no. Ain't that right, Allison?
That's right.
That's right.
We're going back to back every 4 weeks, 6 weeks. No, your hair ain't even growing that fast.
Yeah, so typically when you see on the relaxer where like it says 6 to 8 weeks, understand that that's a minimum. You have to wait a minimum of 6 to 8 weeks to go ahead and refresh on relaxer. You can go longer. I've got some clients that I see every 10 to 15 weeks. I've got some clients that I see twice a year. I've got some clients that I see once a year. So just keep in mind, if you feel like, oh my gosh, my hair is so tight, I can't take it anymore, you probably need to do a moisturizing deep conditioner, because that hair is dry. I will say, especially if you have a relaxer and a color, you have no business using cheap shampoo. If you wanted to be cute and try to look like Beyonce with your hair straight and blonde, just understand, you're gonna have to buy some shampoo that's more like Beyonce price. Don't be trying to look like Beyonce and Ofra on a Shanae budget. You can't do it. Let the Suave go. Let the VO5 go. Let all those go. The ones where, and do not be buying a shampoo based on, I like to smell like apples or winter blossom. Like, you cannot do that. You've got to get quality stuff. Okay, so if this video is super bumpy and all that, I'm sorry, because we're driving. We're on the way to see the Lord. Ishkatai. Hopefully it's been helpful for somebody, for everybody, because no matter whether your hair is relaxed, if it's not relaxed, if you've got a perm and a relaxer are different. Yes, a perm is curly, a relaxer is straight. You're welcome, I love you.
Let's get that right. Let's get that right.
If you've got like hair color, especially if you have a perm or a relaxer and hair color,
yeah, you're in danger zone.
Yeah, if you've been that person to do your own relaxer and you've been pulling it through beyond where the new growth is, so you pull it through your hair every time, honey, I tell you, whether your hair is stretchy and popping or not, it's overprocessed. You need some love on that hair. You need a lot of moisture, and you need a good amount of protein too. Hope this video has helped you. If so, please let us know by leaving a like, a comment, or sharing this video with somebody whose hair is popping off, or they doing their own relaxer, or their stylist is over processing their relaxer. Yeah, it don't matter. Just share it out. Share it out. You got anything else you want to say, Allison?
Nope, I think we said it all.
It's all been said. Zan, you got anything else you want to add?
Hello, I'm not wearing my new dangly earrings.
She is so excited. It's her first time wearing dangly earrings. She'll probably never wear them again because, you know, I'm not stable. Okay, so anyway.
How dare you, mister?
Mm-hmm.
How dare you, mister?
Anyway, take care. God bless. Stay glam. And you know we love you, boo. Bye.
And also, you deserve a whooping.
You say bye.
Bad, bad baby. Bad, bad baby.
Bye, you guys.